Hi guys, my name is Sharon Yang, and this is the final project video for CIS 3367 of Professor Wheeler. In this video, I'm gonna introduce a very useful and powerful tool in Excel called Solver, and also I will take advantage of what-if analysis to solve my problems. Okay, let's get into this. When I was a little kid, I always dreamed to have my own bakery because I really love cookies. Well, but my mom doesn't think it's a good idea. She told me I'm not gonna make it. My revenue even can't cover my input. She asked me to be more realistic. I believed she's right at that time because I didn't know how much cookies should I make and how much the price should be set to cover the input. However, I have Excel now. Let's try to figure it out. So this is the daily income calculator. In this first row, here is revenue minus the sales tax, which gives us the daily total revenue. And for this part, this is the cost of goods sold counts by batches. And here comes the salary for employees and some fixed cost. If I want to know how to get the break-even point, which means making revenue cover the input, I need to know two things: the number of cookies I make per day and the sales price for one cookie. In other words, we have two variables. So since we know we have two variables, let's make a two-variable table here. At this corner, the dependent variables formula needs to be put here. And in this case, it should be equal to the revenue. So let's make it equals to here. And so everything's prepared. Let's select it first, and let's do the what-if analysis. The table and the row input cell, which is here, which means the numbers of cookies per day. So we need to choose here. And the column input cells equals to the sales price. So we choose here and press OK, which gives us the revenue in every scenarios. So let's see which one is the closest one to 0. Here it is. For the $3 each cookies and $200 per day. Okay. Notice that this number here will confuse your customer or your boss because it doesn't make sense here. So what we're gonna do is to hide it. Let's press the format cells and comes to the custom. Okay, magically it disappeared. To be better presented, I want to select the table at first and do a conditional formatting and choose less than. Set the number here as 0. Press OK. So which gives us the negative revenue, which is the worst cases. Another way to reach the break-even point which is the 203, is to do the goal seek. Let's press data, and what if analysis, choose goal seek, and set here the target value is 0 by changing cell here. Press OK. Okay, which gives us the 2.997, which is equals to 3. From what we've been through, we've already know that the average price for each cookie should be set to $3, and the total number of cookies per day should be 200. But we still don't know how to divide this number into 3 categories of cookies. So let's do silver. Silver is in the data tab, but it's not original here. So we need to press the files and options to get the add-ins and the silver add-in. After that, we will get the silver ribbon here. Press the silver and set object, which is our target here. We want it to be the maximum, so we choose max here, and by changing variable cells, we choose these 3 numbers, and we set some constraints. The first constraint, which means the quality of the cookies should be positive, and this means the inventory should be positive, and this means the total number of the 3 cookies should be 200, exactly 200. And let's press solve. So server gives us a result. Press OK to accept it. So the total profit is 665, and the numbers for each species of cookies should be 20, 90, and 90. Ta-da! So this concludes my final project for 3367. Even though it's a very, very, very easy case, but I still want you guys to know that how easy these tools are and how powerful they are, and you can use it to chase your childhood dream. And thanks to Professor Wheeler, who taught me a lot about Excel and makes me more interested in computer technology skills.